Hey guys, Dave here at Waldor. It is July the 17th, 2025, and good to see y'all again. So we are offering some special plants this week. Yesterday I got to go dive into the back of the greenhouse, so we found some pretty cool stuff to offer you. So check out our this week's offering page on our website. Like I said, kudos to you guys that know Thursdays we start listing. Probably gonna do it a little on the earlier side because today I'm heading out to Santa Barbara. So tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday the 17th, 18th. 18th, 19th, sorry, 18th, 19th, Friday, Saturday, out at Cattle Orchids out in Santa Barbara. So if you're in the central, I guess, western side of California, because it's a big friggin' state, come by and see me. It's going to be a cool time. For those of you who don't know, our good friend Jim Rose passed away earlier this year, and this summer Hummer event that they put on every year, which is like their open house, is going to be kind of a memorial for Jim. So if you can come out, spend some time Friday, Saturday, I'm going to be there all weekend. Come by, say hi. We're going to be hanging out with our friends there. So if you're in Cali, come see me, say hello. It's going to be a good time. So in this week's offerings, we got some cool stuff. So this is Laelia Cattleyas Renate S&W. So from old S&W, this is a Why Not cross. Actually in spike, but got a lot of the nice new roots just poking out. Double lead on this piece. She's real chunky. Beautiful piece of plant, full grown, at about maybe 14 inches tall, something like that. So these grow really, really well. This is a double lead with looks like about 6 bulbs. So I think there's 2 pieces of this week. So check it out. It's a great little plant from old S&W stock. So, great plant. This is Riffler Waldor. This cross was made by my dad, Walt, and this goes back to, oh man, I gotta guess the 1970s, but I'm not certain on that. But this combined 2 really, really great plants. So this is Riffy, which was like the OG red Cattleya. If you know Riffy Burlingame, was very, very popular. And this is Riffy crossed on Mrs. Mahler. So you have a compact red about this size crossed onto our huge Mrs. Mahler. So interesting cross here because you get red with kind of a pink lip. So definitely a great plant. This is a one-off and beautiful original piece. Just tested clean back in October this past year. So check that plant out. What else do we have? I want to show you something really, really special. So this is Cattleya wallisii, or we may call it eldorado, semi-alba, pincelata, and I'm going to butcher this, but Hileia, I think. I got this out of a private collection in Japan. And for those of you who collect eldorados, this plant, I know it's expensive. I paid a lot of money for it. It's one of the most expensive plants that I've ever bought. It's fantastic. You know that feeling you get inside you when you see something beautiful and it just makes your heart like jump up and down a little bit? That's this plant. White, beautiful big orlado lip and a pincelata flare in the petals. It's got everything you'd want in an eldorado. Check this plant out. Only piece we're going to offer. I've never sold a piece of it before, so definitely check this thing out. It's an awesome plant. Sticking with Waldor type plants. This is chunky. For those of you who don't know, this is BLC Love Sound, but this is Sayuri Iguchi. Has an AM, and this is our award. I think it was an 83 points. I forget when it got awarded, but those of you familiar with Love Sound, you're probably familiar with the dog Shima variety, which will grow like this big. But look at the size of these bulbs. I'm going to put my hand up next to it just to give you an idea for scale. This is a chunky, chunky plant. Flower stems, you can see, are much, much bigger. He'll get flowers up to here. A large flower size too. Really pretty kind of concolor yellow gold. Just a beautiful thing. These are divisions that we're listing to this week. These are cuttings from the awarded plant. I believe it's a meristem. I don't have a source on it. It goes back beyond where I was even relevant here. So I don't have a source on it. But it is a piece of the awarded plant. So check that out. It's a great chunk of plant. We're going to be offering a few of these. These are Maxima semi-alba La Pendrenia by self. And we're going to be offering a couple different varieties of this week. And a couple pieces of each one because it grows so well. But this is a semi-alba striata, so I guess a little petal flare. These are a couple these were crosses out of our friends from out in Hawaii. And it was a sibbing and a selfing. And out of that group, we saved probably about 6 or 8 plants out of a whole bunch of plants. And out of those plants, these are some of the best from the group, especially this D variety. We put a date code on there. The one starting in D I really, really like. It's got wide petals, lots of color in the petals. These grow really, really well. Super easy to grow Maxima, and a really rewarding plant. And like I said, simple, easy to grow, which is always good. Farrell Amigo. This is a meristem. But you can see this thing grows. You got 1, 2, 3 leads on this piece. So you got 5 bulb division with 3 leads. Super chunky. There's, I think, a couple pieces of this week, so check them out. This is beautiful, kind of concolor, golden, yellow-orange color. But a really nice thing, highly desirable, and a great plant, so check them out. And last of all, the one that we're going to talk about today is Crispin Rosali's Luella. I got this from Plato Matthews. This just tested clean when it came across the bench. I just put a kit on it. Always like to test these oldies because they're definitely can sneak through with a virus one once in a while. But this guy tested clean. This Luella variety is from Jerry Rayfield's collection. His wife was Luella. Plato got it from Jerry Rayfield. We got it from Plato. So original piece, 4 bulb division, super strong, virus free. It's an old time cross. So you got Bonanza and Norman's Bay. So some of the best old time lavender breeding from the 80s. So check them out. Great piece, nice and chunky, just breaking some new roots. So really nice piece. So we appreciate you guys looking, and always remember, like, share, subscribe. I don't want to have to say it, but apparently I have to. So like, share, subscribe if you can. Helps us out a lot. We want to build our algorithm. We want people coming, checking out our products. We also want people to notice just for the content we're putting on YouTube and things. We wanted people to see the content because it's basic, it's easy, and that's what we're all about. So we appreciate you guys looking, and we'll see you next time.